Hello friends, this is Momita and you are watching Moki Life with Smile. So today I came up with new small story to share with you. So before that, a very good evening to all of you. I hope you all are great, me also great too. So without wasting time, let's get started. Today's story name is Too Much Greed is Not Good. Today's story name is Too Much Greed is Not Good. So there was a family living in the village, and that family consists of three members, parents, and a son. That family was like a farmer family, a farmer living with his son and his wife. So farmer always tried to make his sons happy, but his son was not happy if for his father, because that son has a lot of friends and they are very rich. So he wanted to be rich, and he wanted more money, but his father was a poor farmer. So he always tried to make him happy, but he always failed. So he always demanded, I need that one, I need that things you have to bring for me, you are my father, you have to do that thing. And farmers was worried about his son, because he was not able to bring everything for his son. And like, he always think how to make his son happy. He always think that how to fulfill his son's wishes, but his son never think about his father hard work. So one day, his sons came from school and demanded that bike he need a bicycle. So so he like fight with his father, because his father is poor. He doesn't have money to buy a car or to purchase a bicycle for his son. So that's why that day, that son left the house. And so his father, I mean, that farmer was so worried about his son, where he has gone. He was searching him, and he was like searching him in the field. He searched everywhere, but he did not get his son. So he was like very unhappy, and you can say he was very sad, and going to the field to work, going to the field for cultivate. So but suddenly a snake bite that farmer, and at that moment that farmer died. So after his son got to know that his father is no more, and he came back to his home, and he regret for his, like, for his deeds, for his bad deeds. And for, like, from that time they become very poor. They were not able to get food. So he thought that earlier they were very happy, because his father was brings food for him, and whatever wishes he had, that his father was tried to fulfill. But now his father died. So there was no one who can bring, like, who can bring whatever he want. So so his son, like, felt very bad for his father, and he regret for his bad deeds. And after that they were living, like, they are going through very problem because of the poverty. So always think that too much greed is not good. If you are greedy, then please remove this habit, because too much greed is not good. This was the today's story. I hope you guys like this. If you like this story, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Moki Life Who Smile, and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video you will get the notification. And don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends and others. And if you're watching from Facebook, then please follow me and don't forget to like, comment and share. So see you in the next video with new story. Till then, bye, take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.